Hey guys, I'm Jeck from the Jeck Setter. Today, as you can see, I have my pantry in the background. For today's vlog, I'm doing some spring cleaning of my pantry. What we're going to do today is arrange all of those. I was going to cook bulag today, or dried fish, because I knew it was going to expire the end of this month. To my horror, it already had molds. And that just broke my heart. So I think it's really time to check my pantry and see what's expired or what's going to expire, so I don't waste any food, because I really hate wasting food. So I think that's the goal for today. Let's do it. Let's have a closer look at what I have in there.
There you go. I have my Trader Joe's cookie butter, smooth and natural peanut butter, Cocoa Puffs, and the branded one. So I think up here I have the breakfast food. Yes, but it's also very messy and disorganized. Let's go now down here, where I think I keep my unhealthy stuff. And not really, because I have my quick oats here. And then I have also my acai berry powder. So that definitely needs to be organized. I bought these little things from Daiso last year. It looked like I arranged it last year, but of course, magkalat na siya later on. So, yeah, there at the back we have some noodles. Mga noodles dyan.
And down here,
it's more of the snacks, I think. Snacks and mga MSG stuff. See, I have my magic syrup. Sinigang mix, that's very important in life. Also these cubes. I use them from time to time. Not all the time, kaya madami pa rin yan.
so we're going to put all of these here to this table right here. We've been looking for this for ages. We don't really drink coffee, but we had visitors come over. We were gonna serve them coffee, but we couldn't find this. It was all the way at the back. Anyway, I know where it is now. Let's check the table. Now I will go through each one of them, so good luck. Because I've had this for a while, like siguro a year now, and I cannot read the year. Parang mali ang pagprint nila, so I think I'm getting rid of this one as well. I have this corn flour was just left at the back. It already expired last June. So of course, getting rid of this as well. Sayang.
Dami nagugutom siya. Grabe kagubot. Hindi ko alam. I don't know.
Why did I even think of doing this? Anyway, let's proceed. Ito, matagal na din ito sa akin. And it's dented. So, they say if it's dented, it's no good. Like when you're buying canned goods at the grocery store, if it's dented, they say parang medyo na-compromise na ang quality niya. So, I don't know why I still have this. So, I'm finally getting rid of this. See this one? I don't know if you can see it. It's already expired nung June din. Sayang. Sarap pa naman ito.
I think we'll have to go. I haven't really planned this through. We'll just go with the flow. Medyo nalito na ako ngayon, so
I think we'll just start with the healthy stuff first. we'll put it on the top row, and then middle is yung mga snacks, and then bottom part would be the unhealthy food. Because I've read somewhere before, when you're arranging stuff in a cupboard or in your pantry, the one that's, or in the fridge even, the one that's at your eyesight level or level of sight should be like healthy food. So when you're hungry, that's the first thing you see, not the junk food. So you'd end up eating or snacking healthy food. Sometimes keep these, like when we go out, at least may ketchup na maliliit. But then, if they're all expired, so buti I checked, because I was thinking of keeping them still. So bye-bye na to these. I've already arranged them according to what I wanted to, like snacks. We have breakfast food here, we have healthy snacks on this side. Someone's singing. Again, I have here the breakfast food, the healthy snacks, unhealthy snacks. I have the cooking stuff here, the noodles and coffee, and so let's try putting them back in the pantry. I'm changing these. Okay, mas slide lang siya. I have this grip mat.
I can still use this for cleaning, so we're not throwing them away today.
The short pot tayo. It's not enough. I'll just try and cut them in half and maybe buy another one when I get the chance. So I cut them in half and I have a little bit of extra. So ilagay ko lang siya there somewhere. Gosh.
Adulting is real.
So annoying, guy. It's short.
Alright. I think I'm ready now to put them back in the cupboard. All of the expired stuff. Actually, this one's not expired, pero maliit na lang masyado siya. Tapon na natin yan. So just some cans and puti. It's not much actually. Very good. Just wondering, do you guys do this as well? Like collect the sugar, the tea, or sachets of coffee from the hotel na hindi naman nagamit? Do you take them home as well? I don't know if I'm the only one who does this. Well, I got it from my mom. So, I'm doing the same thing kasi magamit mo itong sugar dito sa bahay, and I did check the expiry of these things. I think last month when I checked my tea bags. So, they're all still good. Lang kasi sayang siya. Might as well use it, diba? I'm finally finished, so let's have a closer look on my arrangement. So there you go, guys, all done with organizing and decluttering my kitchen pantry. I hope you guys learned something from this video, maybe inspire you to check your cupboard and you know, check the food that you're eating, if they're already expired, or you know, check your ingredients just to make sure that you don't waste anything. Use them before the expiry date, or you know, at least get rid of them so that no one would use them. Springtime always inspires me to clean up around the house, you know, do some spring cleaning as they say. And also, since the sun is out, as you can see, I'm in my like gym attire because I worked out earlier. It's time to get back in shape. Springtime is a great time to do outdoor activities because the sun is already out, it's no longer that cold. You don't need to hibernate anymore because winter is over. That's it for today, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and please do give this a thumbs up. If you like this video and subscribe to my channel, click the subscribe button down below. And also click the bell icon to be notified of my uploads every Sunday between 6 to 7 p.m. depending on how fast my internet is. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Whoop, my fly. If you like what you see, subscribe to me. Bye guys!